So we're going to take a look at this Flatsons guitar repair kit. This was sent out for review. In the box you get this rollout pad, and then you get this kind of foam style Flatsons guitar neck holder. I do like it includes this little Velcro thing here so you could roll it up when you're not using it. So when I roll this out, you'll see it has a grip on the bottom, and then on the top it's got a guitar like emblem. It says Flatsons FA16. Now when you first roll it out, you probably want to kind of let it form where it's not going to roll up on you. But basically you just put this at the end here. You got a nice soft pad that you can put your guitar on. So I've got the guitar on the pad. It'll keep it from getting scratched up. And then I've got this neck mount so that if I'm changing strings, it'll keep it from being like way flat where you can't really turn these knobs. So when you have it like this, it's easier to access. So anyways, I highly recommend this. I think it's a great little kit. Great for guitar players, bass players, anybody that's got to change strings.